the other troubadours. Rather, I'm too hard on those who consider me their brother. There is blame and praise about my art. I make the wise regard nuisances as pleasantries, and I make the uncouth say I don't make sense. For this my poetry should be valued more, because I don't think there are 10 out of 1,000 who can completely comprehend what my wit covers. My sense is clear to the connoisseurs. It's too cryptic for those who don't know a thing. Because imagination, there where valor is not prized, is neither knowledge nor wit, as I regard it. For I see and know those you understand. You each believe you have a good girlfriend. Believe only what you see about her, for imagining makes the wise fall, if sense doesn't enlighten him. I'll never avoid unless sense and luck, so call me the fault about which I hear such ruckus. Flood nor sea, nor fire or worries, nor is keeping thieves from robberies, compared to the subtle, hidden deceptions of false, treacherous, truthless women, who always carry ready snares with which they catch us in the morning and at night, and even during the day if one isn't careful. The lavish and the stingy, the noble and the humble are, as I see, insecure in front of love, which makes them lovers, for his blend is of many colors. Obscure makeups impossible to resist. He shows to the talkative and to the quiet, until he's had enough of what I don't want, but you want, and of the beautiful countenance that it made appear. Isn't he, afterwards, too tight? To one inflamed by love, the heart breaks mean little, and so do his efforts and the honor of his father. Dilapidating is consolation and taste, until the riches he thinks he can tap into fail him. He rather throws his seed into seas and deserts. Let him not hope it bears fruit. The most courteous and generous, when a false, bitter relationship puts him in the friend zone. It is vile and expensive and changes too many masters. The miserable, disloyal, deceitful cunt, neither from far-fetched games with loaded dice, nor from others' ownership did he know how to withdraw his money well enough. Just as does the one who falls from virtue, he who believes her who has him in her power of love. Why don't you see the deception they make us see when they paint their face? May the enjoyment of all the best not fail me, for the highest wall loses its virtues because of a stone. Since courting fails the pure lovers, trepidation is worth little, since the players fare better. Ladies, you seem to be in the wrong. You should have stopped long ago the foolishness you keep, for you have the best endowed look like dunces, because joy deserts them. Joy and love, why do you flee the one with whom you should dwell? You love money more, admit it, than a Spaniard loves eating, or Abraham loved Sarah. You know lovers and husbands well. If he tells you things you don't know, you shouldn't hold it against him. You'd hardly understand them.